This is Mike.
So if the US imposes tariffs on the EU, the big question is what the EU will do in response. If the EU imposes tariffs on the US as well, the implication for the EU economy will potentially be significant, with weaker growth and higher inflation. Being an important trading partner for the UK, that will have implication on the UK as well, because if you have a weaker market there, exports to the EU from the UK will be affected as a result. For Europe, the implication will be slightly smaller potentially, because the share of trade with the US is on average smaller than what you have in Mexico and Canada, but nevertheless there will still be an impact. We'll find it harder to export to the US if our products are going to cost more. And if we're going to retaliate here in the UK, we will also find that our import costs from the US are going to be higher, and that would feed into higher inflation here as well. Some economies will benefit as a result of that trade being diverted, or them having an advantage because their products will be comparatively cheaper as a result. But it's very hard to tell at the moment what the net impact is going to be until you know what the full scale of the tariff war is going to shape up to be.
Jednom štandu ima banana.